Now let us discuss 97 question. The intermediate compound X. What is the intermediate compound X among the given four options? Okay. When you observe this reaction, toluene reaction with chromyl chloride, in the presence of CS2 to form an intermediate X, then reaction with H3O positive to form an benzaldehyde. Benzaldehyde. By observing this reaction, this is one of the important named reaction, that is Etod reaction. When toluene, that means methylbenzene, reacted with chromyl chloride in the presence of CS2 to form an complex, that is bond O, bond CH, bond O, Cr, Cl2OH twice. This is a complex formed when an toluene reacts with chromyl chloride in the presence of CS2. This is an intermediate which on reaction with H3O positive to form the benzaldehyde. So our answer is 2 is our correct answer.